Welcome to Taranis. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to create a zone map from NDVI imagery using the Taranis web app. This feature helps you visualize field variability and make more informed decisions. First, select a browser and log into your Taranis account. After logging in, you will be directed to the Recent Insights page. Use the filters to select from growers, farms, crops, and more. Select the field you'd like to work with. From the timeline view, select the map option at the top of the screen. To access and review the available NDVI imagery for the field, click on the Layers tab on the left side of the screen. Choose the NDVI map you'd like to use by clicking on the date or image that corresponds to your scouting mission. You can also create a customized search. Once you've determined which NDVI image you would like to use, locate the toolbar on the left side of the screen and select the Zones option. It looks like a checkerboard. This will open the zone mapping tool where you can create a new zone. Select the data layer you want to use for your zone map by tapping the Select Parameters button. Select the NDVI option, scroll through and choose the NDVI imagery by date you want to use for the zone map. When complete, select Save at the bottom. You can also customize the number of zones in addition to selecting a minimum amount of acres for management areas displayed. Don't forget to name your zone map and tap the Create Zones button at the bottom of the screen. Once the zone map is created, you have the ability to edit your map by selecting the Edit Zones button. Use the sliders to fine-tune the thresholds for each zone. The map is then recalibrated to reflect your new selections. To export your new zone map as a shapefile, find the green down-facing arrow at the top of the screen. Selecting the arrow will download the file to your computer. You've successfully created a zone map from NDVI imagery in the Taranis web app. If you have any questions, please reach out to our team and stay tuned for more feature highlights and walkthroughs. Every field, every acre, every step, because it all matters at Taranis.